Dumelang Boscado. So one thing about me, I believe in cooking. And I believe that anyone can learn how to cook. I mean, you obviously have to have the desire, but cooking isn't all that difficult. I've heard people talk about how when they tried cooking for the first time, the meal came out so bad that they swore to never touch the pot again. And listen, Boscado, cooking is about trial and error. You are bound to make mistakes, but you just have to learn from them. And the best way to start is with the basics. Don't rush into making extravagant meals. And always remember that there are many ways to kill a cat. So if someone wants to tell you, no, you should do it like this, don't do it like that, me, I do it like this. You know what? If it works for you, it works for you. And if it tastes good to you, that's all that matters, because cooking is all about preference. And if someone feels like your cooking just isn't for them, then they can go cook for themselves, because your kitchen, your rules.